Today I'm going to talk about living and non-living things. Living things are things that exhibit life attributes. For example, humans, animals, plants, and microorganisms like virus, bacteria, and fungi. Anything that does not exhibit any life characteristics is said to be non-living. For example, chairs, desks, pens, books, light bulbs, and so on. Characteristics of living things are abbreviated under Mr. Niger ACD. M stands for movement, which is the transition of part or whole of an organism from one place to another. In the case of animals, respiration refers to the gaseous exchange that organisms exhibit with their environment. For example, oxygen for carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide for oxygen, and vice versa. N stands for nutrition, which is the ability of living organisms to take in food for their survival as well as their nourishment. I stands for irritability, which is the ability of living organisms to respond to changes in their environment as well as being sensitive to their environment. G stands for growth, which is the irreversible increase in the size and mass of living organisms. E stands for excretion, which is the removal of waste products from living organisms. R stands for reproduction, which is the process by which living organisms produce young ones, as living organisms similar to themselves, either sexually or asexually. A stands for adaptation, which is the ability of living organisms to adjust to changes in their habitat. D stands for which is determination of all biological functions in living organisms.